Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. 6.7 inches foldable AMOLED screen display protected by ultra-thin glass that can be folded into 4.2 inches to fit into the pocket, having 120Hz refreshing rate. 1.9 inches small cover screen from back of the phone, which can be used to display the time, that battery status, notifications, answer the phone calls, and so on. Besides that, this small cover screen also used to take selfies without opening the main screen. Just click on the side button, then the rear camera will respond to take the selfie. 5G supported dual SIM slots, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 8GB RAM with 256GB ROM storage capacity, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor with operating system Android 11, dual rear cameras with flashlight, 12 megapixels wide angle camera and 12 megapixels ultra wide camera, along with 10 megapixels front selfie camera. 3300 mAh dual battery capacity for whole day and night with 15 watt fast charging rate. The body frame is made of aluminum, having water resistance up to 30 minutes in 5 feet water depth, having 183 gram weight. Available in 4 colors: cream, phantom black, green and lavender. Price in Pakistani market is 1,95,000 rupees only. Here is other countries price list. To get latest notifications, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.